morning.
Morning. How are those biscuits?
They're really good. Rainy morning here in Bocas del Toro, and we're having biscuits and listening to a renewable energy podcast. So pretty awesome.
Kevin's drinking his tea and we're watching our neighbors leave. It's just a rainy afternoon. Hopefully the sun comes out, because if it doesn't, we're going to have to start the drizzle.
I think so. It is 3 p.m. here on Sunday, and as you can see, the rain is back. We had a little bit of solar, which was nice, and we started to put a charge on, and then this little deluge came in.
Fortunately, we haven't been able to get enough sun today. So, first of all, Kevin's going to make dinner.
In my boxes.
In
my Bjorn Borgs, baby.
Borgs, yeah. And while he's doing that, I'm going to start the drizzle, okay?
Fired up.
For those who do not know gargoyle very well, do not have a generator on the boat. We rely 100% on solar when we're at anchor. So on cloudy days such as this, when we do not get enough solar for the day, we have to start up our Yanmar. But we do have a high output alternator, a Balmer alternator, that is attached to our Yanmar, which gives us about 60 to 70 amp hours per hour when we are charging our batteries, which is a huge help. I'm just gonna let gargoyle cool down, and then I think it's movie night.
It is a new day, and we need to go in and get some supplies. So we need to do a few things this morning first, and then we're going to head into Red Frog Marina, and we are going to load up. A little bit gray out still, but not too bad. We're still anchored here off Conch Point. The kitty's chilling in the cockpit with me. Great, cool day. They're always a little groggy too. You can see we had so much rain that I need to let the dinghy down, because I don't know if you can see, but she's got a little bit of a curve to her. So I'm gonna let her down and pump her out here in a little bit. But first, I think what I need to do is make coffee. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes, please.
Okay, 5 minutes. Starting now.
Time to go to the dinghy. Every morning our ritual is we get up and we make coffee, and then we listen to the news. And really the only news we found that's decent global news is the BBC online. We can stream without any problems. So.
In the global vaccine rollout, new figures suggest tens of millions of frontline workers worldwide have yet to be fully vaccinated. The Council's Chief Executive Howard Catton.
Dean, come here. Come on. Come here, boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. Yeah, he's such a good successful drone flight. Got a little bit of sunshine today, but our refrigerator is empty. So, time to go to Red Frog.
Red Frog. Carla's rigging up the saltwater washdown. The anchorages here hold so well because they're so muddy. This is where Carla does fast forward walking. The mud. And this nice clear water. I'm gonna go back to the helm.
Head back to the helm.
And leave Captain Carla up here. After I leave, she'll be talking sweet nothings to her windlass because that's her baby there. So while Carla is securing the anchor up front, get us heading in the direction we want to go. I have to say, in Bocas del Toro, everybody waves at you. This is one happy place.
Not much wind.
Not much wind, you are correct.
First drone footage sailing.
It might be the last with this drone. Ready?
Ready? No, it was off, sweetie.
Oh, well, that's probably why my signal was so weak, eh?
All right, now we just need to catch it.
Successful recovery and a good flight.
Isn't looking good. I think maybe we might have to call her quits. This by hand in a long time.
I know. We haven't had no wind in a long time. Cheers. Yes, we do cheat.
I think we're ready to go. Kevin's ready to go. The great thing about Bocas del Toro is it's relatively easy to reprovision. So we have turned off our freezer and we're just running on the fridge, but this is what our fridge looks like. Wow. It's time to fill her up. Oh, and the freezer's empty too. Threading the needle. See what happens here. Come on, my side, my side, my side. Al Dundee, yeah.
Supposed to be come through.
Okay, all right.
I'm sorry. Did we fit?
We fit.
Weeks worth of groceries at least. We'll get some more fresh produce from the produce boat when we see it next. And
check out the fridge.
Check out the fridge.
Ooh, look at that. It's got lots of cheese and meat in it, which is what I like, and some hot sauce.
We left the Red Frog anchorage and we went down and around the island. You can kind of see back there, that's Hospital Point, and then we're coming around again and we're going pretty much down there. So we add about 45 minutes to our trip by going around. There is a place called The Cut, and we've had miscellaneous reports on depth and suitability for us. It looks on the chart to be good, so one of these days we're going to poke through it because we could save probably 45 minutes at least on any trip from Red Frog over to this side. It's been a long day, but we are anchoring in the mangroves back here. As you can see, the sun's getting ready to go down, but a beautiful little anchorage.
Well, we made it before sunset. We have tucked in these mangroves here. Just right kind of in the middle. It's beautiful. Having prosciutto and cheese. My little mongrel loves prosciutto.
Oh, he's gonna die tonight. This could be his last night on Earth.
Could be.
Cheers.
Oh, long day, but it's over. Who says cruising's not a lot of work?
Cheers. 2 thumbs up. You are going to be in trouble. You're going to go swimming on camera in a minute. Purring like a Rolex. I don't really know what a Rolex sounds like because I've never had a Rolex, but it's purring.
I get the great views from back here. It's awesome.
Oh, don't pick your nose, sweetie.
Why?
I'm taking video.